Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel once again. So I'll be continuing with the OpenQuery file command or tutorial. So you can see I have created these videos where you can see that how I use different functions on the selections using the OpenQuery file command. So that's basically creates the ODP, and we do share the ODP on our RPG program using the override DBF share styles and process the records that are part of the ODP instead of the whole file. So ODP, that is open data path, that is temporary file object. So these are the things that have been done. Now this time I'm going to demonstrate the example of using the wildcard function in the OpenQuery file in the selection criteria. So uh, you can see there are three examples here. So I'm just declaring the file. So one thing to tell you that this employee name is 20 characters, employee ID 10, and manager ID 10. So these are the records in file PF1. So first thing is declaring a variable is not required anymore. Just delete it. Just doing the OpenQuery file here. File is pf1 from where the selection will be made. Employee name equals to a star percent wildcard. So wldcrd is a function that we'll be using. So here the wildcard functions, we can specify two things like the fixed function, fixed character, and the variable character. So basically fixed one is this one underscore wildcard character, and the variable one is the other one, that is star, that we can use. So fixed one means on this position I can have anything like A B C D or 1 2 3, whatever character I can have, and but you can see that the other characters like n underscore me1 and spaces, since this is 20 characters long field, so I have to specify underscore me1 and the blanks here as well. This is an issue here with this one, but I'm just giving you an example. So name one, so me1 and spaces, so a or something else can be here for this one, and then I'm calling this OpenQuery RPG program, enclosing the ODP and deleting the override simply. So this way, I'm selecting only the first record. After that, I'm doing the same thing again. I am again overriding OpenQuery, calling the program, closing the ODP and deleting the override here. But this time, the query is something different. Employee name equals wildcard, percent wildcard, and star e star. So basically, you can see that I am using the other variable wildcard character where I can have n star. So I can have A, B, C. I can have multiple number of characters within N and E. So that let's say I can have N A M. So the value is, if you look at this data, I can have N and E. In between N and E, we have two characters. So I can have two or one or three or any number of characters. So you can see that's why I've used star here. So I didn't use this one. That requires only the single character. Here for two characters, I have to use double two underscores there, but I don't know whether I have single character within that, multiple characters, two or three or four, any number of characters I can have. So I'm using the star. So NAME, and after that I can have any number of the star characters, means 0 or n characters. So here I can have the data like NE, that is also acceptable, and that is also met this criteria. Uh, Even if there is no character within this between this N and E. So I can have an E as well. So NAME, something like that. And we can have data after E as well. Uh, Even I can have NE, NAME, or NAME 1, 2, 3, anything else that I can have. So let me show you what they call that I will be selecting from here. So both are capital, as you can see. NE are capital here, and between that and after that any number of characters, 0 or any number of characters would be possible. So you can see this one is caps. So employee ID 1 and 3 are caps, and E is caps here. So basically 1 and 3 will be selected from here, because between that any number of characters, and after that between any number of characters we can have. So since we are using star wildcard character, that is a variable character. Now what I can do is I can use both the wildcard characters in a single expression. So you can see n underscore me1 star. So either uh, I can have and I can have A, B, C, D or something else. I have to be there. One character has to be there. So NAME 1. So all in capital. So the first record is selected from here. And after that, or maybe 0 or any number of characters possible. So this is how we use the wildcard characters in the query expression. Just save it, compile it. And in RPG program, we are just reading the file and displaying it. Whatever the ODP contains, we are reading it in loop and displaying it. So just and debug. strdbg. We will debug this program to show you how this works. Set the breakpoint and call. So just do work job. No ODP for PF1, no override. Just override it and create a ODP. ODP created, override done, and call this program. So this basically n underscore me. So this will read this was the calling program. So n underscore me1. So basically this will select the first record of employee ID 1. Employee ID 1, name 1, and manager ID this one. There is no further records in this ODP. So it will end. This will delete the ODP as well as the override. So you can see deleted the ODP and the override both. Again override it, again create an ADP with this query result, query selection criteria, NE star, and E star. So basically this will select, both are in capital letters, so this one and this one. So we can have any number of variable characters within that 0 to n, and after this as well. So 1 and 3 employee ID will be selected from here. Just do the work job. ODP is created again, override again, shift F10. So 1 and 3 should be processed. 1, yes. 3. No further records in this ODP. That's correct. And this ODP deleted. You can see that ODP deleted and the override deleted too. Now again do the override, and this one is the ODP. So this will basically select the first record. Let me show you the ODP. ODP is created, override done, and this will display the first record, that is employee ID 1. No further records in this ODP. So this way we have seen that this will delete the ODP and the override. So this way we have seen that how we use the wildcard function and characters within the query expression. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.